The stainless steel 3/8-inch wedge anchor is one of the most common bolts used by American climbers. It's strong, secure, and lasts a long time in most environments. Unfortunately, they're very hard to remove when they need to be replaced. They may be removed by force, though if the direction of pull is not straight out, the extraction may not work.
There's more weight of the rock this way.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Check that out.
Oh, what? The park manager says this is...
Other tools, like this hydraulic punch driver, exert a consistent direction of pull.
This is right outside.
Yeah,
I think you're trying to shoot from the. Well, what about just pulling on? Oh!
That'd be cool.
I think it's already out.
Probably
Park manager. Okay, there's some destruction there.
So is this the way?
However, damage may occur as the expansion sleeve is pulled past the edge of the hole.
Yeah, but you've got not too bad. But
More than just this crappy surface.
Yeah, they're at the top of the bolt and real close.
A water-cooled core bit connected to a garden sprayer may be used to drill around the outside of the bolt down to the expansion sleeve.
is there a bolt in there, or is this just a core? Oh, cool. Oh, sweet.
So
we want to be able
poured
to
it out. Okay.
Just wait till the earth turns.
You're away.
But that
How many rock
probably
climbers does it take?
After drilling around the outside of the bolt, it can be easily removed mechanically.
It's like crack in the rock.
That pulls the twin jug of force.
Did I?
It's threaded.
This technique consistently resulted in clean holes in our tests.
Oh, that got easy.
Yeah, there it goes.
Oh.
Huh.
That's amazing. That's so cool.
That's
Yeah.
That's perfect.
That
See,
did not
that's the ticket.
The hole can be re-drilled and the bolt replaced with a more easily removable anchor, such as this 3-piece fixed triplex bolt.
Wedge.
Oh,
Yeah,
there it comes. Beautiful.
Now you can. No, it's too big.
Okay. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't have the there's a special tool you can make.
This is a 3/8.
Boom.
Yeah, I had to make it.
But we have.
I didn't have any way of making it.
This hole can be used almost indefinitely, allowing generations of climbers to maintain this anchor without damaging the rock. We learned a lot during this session and are currently refining our equipment and technique. These tests were performed on softer sandstone rocks placed flat on the ground. This is a work in progress, but we're encouraged by these early results. We welcome your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching.